Alright, up until this point, we have learned how to make a simple Golang Chi application. But Chi actually have a really useful feature. It is making custom 404 and 405 handlers. If you doesn't know what is 404 mean, it means not found, okay? For example, like you search something that doesn't exist, the web browser usually give you 404. And the 405 usually if you hit an API with invalid method. So that is 405. If you doesn't understand, it's okay. I will show you later. Okay, let's go back to the code. So this is your existing code if you follow the few previous videos. Okay, right now what I need to add in order to give my custom not found response is I will add this function. Okay, function handle not found, for example http response writer or http request, like this. And then I add write header 404 and write, but this route is not exist, like this. Okay, and then in here right after after the router initialization, I add or dot not found, like this, and then the name of the handler, which is this. Okay, like this. There you go. Now if you go back to your browser, okay, you restart this first and then go to your browser and you add, for example, like this does not exist, enter, you will get this response. What if you doesn't use this? Let's comment this and then let's restart the application. You will get this. By default it show you 404 page not found, but if you don't like the message you can use this. Okay, so this is up to you actually. So run this again and then refresh, you get this message. Okay, that is for the not found response. How about the other one, the 405 handlers? So by definition, 405 means status method not allowed. What does it mean? Let me give you example. Now, this endpoint slash test is only accept the method get, right? Let's test that. So make sure this running. Okay, this is running localhost 8000 slash test. So if you run this, okay, you will get this response. Okay, it is equal with this. Okay, so give you the valid response. But what if you use different method? For example, like post. Let's send. There you go. You will get an empty response with the error response 405 method not allowed. Now, if you want to customize the message, so instead of empty response, you want to add your message, what you can do is you tap this handle status method not allowed. W http response writer or http request this write header 405 write, for example, like yo, this method is not allowed for this endpoint, like this. So let's stop this application, go run, and then hit the endpoint once again. Oh, okay. I just make this handle, but we need to register it. Our method not allowed handle method not allowed, like this. Okay, and then to stop the application, and then hit this once again. There you go. You get this custom response.